How to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. First things first, before we go into the steps, we'll have to make sure that you're currently running with the updated version of Lazada app. Now just simply pull up your Google Play Store and search for Lazada. From here, you'll be able to know if your Lazada needs an updating because there's gonna be a visible button there that says update. All you have to do is just simply tap update and it will automatically update by itself. Now just simply access your Lazada application and make sure that you're logged into your account. For you to swap or to convert your Lazada coins to your Lazada wallet, just go to the account tab located at the lower right portion of your screen, and from here, just scroll down a bit till you find a field that says My Lazada Wallet. This is gonna be visible if you do have coins from Lazada. Now just simply tap the PHP button right there and tap Activate. Now you'll just have to comply your phone number from here and just simply tap Get Code. Now for you to be able to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet, you'll have to activate your Lazada wallet first, and once fully activated, it will automatically just swap or convert by itself. So that's it. That's how you easily convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet.